In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark to a photo on Canva. First, I open element, then I type here nature, then found lots of photo, then filter by okay, this good. Okay, this image are really nice. Okay, now click on this text option, then again click on add a heading or subheading. So I like this one. Then click on I write watermark. This is only for understanding purpose. Then click on white. Oh, this color is a good matching. Now okay, this is a good rotation. Then click on this transparency, then keep it 25. Okay, this watermark are really nice and looking, so I copy 4 or 5 for rotation on here. If you want to add lots of watermark, this is possible. If you want to add 1 or 2 watermark, this is also possible. So this is a method how you can add watermark to your photo. Now if I download this photo, then going on my computer, okay, I'm trying to open this design on my computer. Wow, it's really working. So this is a method. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.